everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Nova. This is a true 118 Super Sport car. Very neat car, guys. This is the third time I've owned this car. Originally bought it out of North Carolina. This is factory color combination, Madeira maroon with a black vinyl interior, matching numbers, 283 4-speed car, and really just a good, solid, straight little bow tie, guys. Just a good car. Like I said, I've owned it 3 times. Just took it back in on trade on another little car we had, but good car, man. It's got 15-inch Ridlers all the way around it. Good running 283. Car runs out good, shifts good. It's got electric dumps on it, which is kind of cool. Just a cool car. Fun car to drive, bang the gears. It's about, I'm going to say it's about an 8-year-old restoration now. I think there's 14,000 miles on the car since it's been done. Just a good car. There's some things you can nitpick. There's some little touch-up marks, and you see some of the trim's original, but still very, very nice. Good car. I wish we had some sunshine so you can see that pretty Madeira maroon paint. Unfortunately, boy, has our weather really changed. You can even see snow in the background here. Yes, snow. Good car, though. Pretty car. Like I say, good, solid, straight body. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you're going to like this car. Really hits the road good. Again, it is an original 118 Super Sport car. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. Good car, real good car, guys. Nice set of 15-inch Ridlers. Got Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Touch-up mark there. Again, I don't want to pick it apart, but we sell so many of these cars sight unseen. I just through the videos, I try to just show you anything that I see on them. Again, this is a matching numbers 283 cubic inch engine. Really runs out good. Factory 2-barrel stock intake and ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got the Harrison radiator in it with the shroud. Again, it does have electric dumps, which are pretty cool. And this thing, like I say, it pulls good. That 283 runs out nice. Very cool car. Dash pad in there's nice. A-pillar chrome's pretty darn nice. New mirrors. I think these are the original door handles. You can kind of nitpick them a little bit. Factory black vinyl interior. It's got the bucket seats, the console. It also has the optional seat belts. Sorry guys, little drip there. Seatbelts weren't standard in these cars. So it's got the factory Fisher body seatbelts, bucket seats, console. It's got the original T-handle shifter in it. The only thing that wasn't working on it, and I think this thing works, is the fuel gauge. 14,633 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket little sun tack in there. Yeah, even the little clock is in there working. Aftermarket gauges mounted down here. It's got an aftermarket radio. There's your little electric switch, your switch down there on the console for the dumps. Parking brake works. It's a 10-bolt, 355 limited slip rear end. Jack was spare. Got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Like I say, the car really hits the road good. Interior's nice. See, that dash pad's nice. Gauges are nice and clear. I know the blower motor works. Console's nice. It's got all the Chevrolet rubber mats in it. Get fired up, Jordy. Good running 283, guys. And this thing, it pulls good. I tell you what, it's got plenty of power. Jordan and Nathan, they like these electric dumps. They think they're cool. And they are neat. Open them up, pull it into a show. Go ahead and open those dumps up. Give them a little rev. Check on that fuel gauge. And like I say, it's kind of got a mind of its own. Tach works. All your gauges are down there working. Good oil pressure. Parking brake does work, guys. On the reverse lights. These boys like them. Gauge is working. Radio does work, and your blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Oh, there you go. Yep. Turn that one on? Okay. It started to come on. Check it. We might have a blinker out here. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Car's just got a good look to it, man. I love those little mid-year Novas, so they're great cars. Yeah, that's a good looking little Nova. guys.